Hello everyone and welcome to my nail art channel. Today I am teaching you icing tip nails art design step by step guide. Yummy icing tips are a sweet touch to your manicure. Step number 1 is to start by painting your nails with a lilac nail polish. Step number 2 is using a nail art brush and a light pink nail polish. Create a horizontal wavy line in the middle of your nails. Step number 3 is fill in the bottom of the wave with a light pink nail polish. Step number 4 is using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Place short strokes on the pink area of create sprinkles. Step number 5, repeat the previous step with a bright pink nail polish. Step number 6, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here's you go, your beautiful nail art design is ready to show off. If you have any query and question about this nail art design, please comment me below. Easy, so often a nail trend comes along that makes you stop mid scroll on Instagram, and the latest is ice nails, a glimmering dimensional look that's taking over our feeds. It's easy to see why they trending considering the finish is downright mesmerizing. As the name implies, the nails basically look like they have tiny icy crystals on them thanks to all resistance foil core and layers of shimmer. Like the equally viral velvet nail trend, ice nails, which have also been called aura nails, inspired by the aura borealis and glass. Candy nails originated in Korea but have recently made their way stateside. If you remember 2050's glass nail craze started by Seoul nail artist N Kyung Park, think of ice nail as its 2023 counterpart, just less scattered and relative and more like a glossy sheet of ice. This trend is all about layering. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my video. If you have any query about this today's design, please comment me below. If you have any concern and question, please let comment me below. Thank you very much for watching my video. Take care. Bye bye.